In this video, I want to clarify a critical concept which is pages rank in Google, not websites. If I type kids toys online in Google, you can see different pages from different websites are ranking. This is the home page of toysrus.com. This is the home page of fatbraintoys.com, and this is a toys category page from amazon.com. And similarly, other pages from different websites are ranking. If I open this page, you can see this is only one page from this website. And if I want to go to the other pages, I can go to the menu and select the page that I want to visit. Similarly, if I type a product name, I can see different product pages from different e-commerce sites. This is a page from amazon.com, and similarly, this is a page from remingtonproducts.com, and then other product pages from different websites. If I type logo design service, then different service pages rank from Fiverr, designhill.com, and from other websites. If I type how to quit smoking, you can see various blog posts are ranking. This means that you have to optimize every page of your website that you want to rank in Google and want to get traffic on. You have to optimize your home page, category pages, product pages, and blog posts to get traffic from Google. This is a straightforward concept, but people take it wrong. People think that they have to do the SEO of a website as a whole. You have to do certain things to optimize the whole website, and these things mostly fall in the technical SEO. But you also have to optimize every page of your website if you want to get traffic on it.